Hi, Rouge 18 readers. It's Amber Katz, and I skipped a couple months. Sorry about that for my 5 favorites of the month, but I'm picking it back up with December, and I have 5 favorites that I want to share with you. The first is something you actually can't quite see. I will get up close and personal so I can kind of show you. I am wearing AccuVue's new Sparkle One Day lenses, and what they do is they darken the ring around your iris, and they make blue or green eyes, the Sparkle version does anyway, a little bit clearer and a little bit more pigmented is the only way I can describe it, your iris color. I really like it, and I feel like, you know, this is sort of like my baseline attractiveness now, and I kind of want to wear these every day, but I've been trying to sort of parse them out for special occasions like dates and the like. So I love these, and if you are a regular contact lens wearer, and especially a daily contact lens wearer, I think you'll really like these for holiday parties and things like that, just to sort of switch it up a little bit. It just makes you, like, I would say 30% more attractive, and it's sort of undefinable. You sort of look more rested when you wear these. It's a whole thing. Anyway, get involved with that. I'm going to post a picture of myself with one lens in and one lens out, and a link, you know, for more information where you can get them and all of that. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this Hudson and Bleecker shoe bag. It's a travel shoe bag. I actually, ironically, do not love to use it for shoes. I would like to use it for anything from cosmetics, and I take as many, this is like how many toiletries I take somewhere, quite frankly, especially if I'm going on like a 2-week trip. So I would use it for that. I would use it for lingerie. I would use it maybe for like workout clothing and sort of like roll it up really small and fit it in here, maybe with my sneakers, something like that. So this is a really great size, and it comes with this leather, these leather trimmings, which are really nice, and it's really durable, and it's also really adorable. So get involved with that for travel. The next thing is very exciting. If you saw my Instagram, you know that Tom Ford has come out with this little Lips and Boys trio, and it's really cool. So you get to pick 3 mini lipsticks, and they're all named after, you know, really sexy men, and they have names like, this one is Francesco, this one is Luciano. They're all very exotic. This one is Alejandro. They also have sort of more normal ones. I think Wes was one of the ones that they have. Anyway, so they're all really gorgeous colors. This one is Luciano. I'll show you. It's a really nice red. And you get to pick whichever 3 you'd like. There's a whole selection of several colors. And then your trio lives in this little box. And you have your own little Lips and Boys box for you to customize, and it's a really good gift, but it's more, I don't think this is a gift that I could part with for anyone else. I think I'd have to get one for me and one for someone else. So this is really, really, really divine. Get involved with Lips and Boys in all aspects of life. The next thing, more lips, I have to say, the next thing I want to talk to you about for December is one of my favorite indie brands, Royal Apothic, has come out with these little things called Tinties Lip Butter, and it comes in several colors. My favorite is the pink, and that's what it looks like. It's a tinted lip balm, but it comes in the most gorgeous packaging. Check out the rose gold and the little circular pot. And it just feels really nice on your lips. It's really conditioning. It imparts a kiss of color. It lasts just the right amount of time. I'm actually wearing it as I live and video, so I think you'll want to try these. They also come in a nude, a red, and a coral, so you have your choice of shades. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is, this is a brand originally based in France called Jacques Dessange, and I actually have known about this brand for a long time because one of my college roommates is, I should say, she's totally still living, and she's actually still a friend of mine. Jacques Dessange is a salon in France, and my roommate used to bring back products of his all the time. So I remember I used to use a blowout cream before blowing out my hair, and it was so vital to my life. I loved it. And every time she went home for Christmas or what have you, I would, like, you know, ask her so nicely if she would bring some back for me, and she always did, and it was really nice. So now I was really excited to see that Jacques Dessange is coming stateside, and this is my favorite product duo from the line. They actually only are coming stateside with hair care mostly. There's a couple other SKUs, but it's mostly shampoos and conditioners. And my favorite is this lightening duo, which I've been using. I have natural blonde hair, but it's dark blonde. And I've been going a really long time in between my highlighting sessions just because I've been busy and I've been trying to like save some money and what have you. So I have sort of an unnatural or unintentional ombre thing going on right now. So to lighten my strands a little bit naturally-ish, I've been using this duo, which has chamomile and citrus extracts, and I feel like it just gives your color like a little bit of a kick, and it's really cool. It's also very inexpensive. I'll list all prices below, but definitely look for Jacques Dessange's line. They have a lot of color-treated products as well, or products that help color-treated hair. They have a whole robust line of offerings, so even if you're not blonde, there's still things to check out. And that is it for my December favorites. I will talk to you soon and let me know what you are loving below.